Hi everyone and welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm going to show you how to make the 1910. So the 1910 was first created by Ezra Star of Drink in Boston. I believe it's a bar slash restaurant. Any of you in the States, if you've been there before, please comment below and let me know what kind of bar it is. So this is a Mezcal and Cognac riff basically on a Manhattan, and it gets its name from the Mexican Revolution and also gives a bit of a nod of the hat to the other cocktail, the 1919, which I'll also feature on the channel because I haven't done that one yet. So stirred drink, it's going to be a little bit smoky, some sweetness from the Maraschino Liqueur, and then it's going to have some bitterness from the Punt. So this is going to be quite a complex drink, I'm imagining. So I'm going to start off with the Punt and measure out 30 ml, 1 ounce. And it's a stirred drink, obviously, because I have my mixing glass. And then 22.5 ml of Mezcal, 3/4 ounce. Add that straight into your mixing glass, and then follow that with the Cognac. This is technically not a Cognac, it's a French brandy. Don't tell anyone. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. And then add your Maraschino Liqueur. 15 ml, half an ounce. And 2 dashes of Peychaud bitters. Simple as that. Add some ice and then stir it down. So 30-40 seconds. It does have some intense flavors in this drink, so if you don't like the smokiness and you don't like the bitterness as much, or you're still acclimatizing yourself to those kind of flavors, then maybe stir a little bit longer, 45 seconds to a minute. Those aromatics will really come out of the drink. Add some dilution and it'll soften it a little bit. So the length of time obviously depends on your personal preference. That's just about right for me. So into a pre-chilled cocktail glass. This one's a Nick and Nora. These are my absolute favorite. I'll leave a link to them in the description below on Amazon. Strain straight in. And this one I'm going to leave ungarnished, but if you would like to, I'd drop a maraschino cherry or even a twist of lemon. I think they're going to be the best options. And there you have the 1910. Cheers. Get the underlying note of the maraschino, a lot of smoke from that mezcal. But then on the palate, it's the Punt, it's that bitterness coming through. The smoke's actually not overwhelming. Sometimes it can get pretty overpowering. It's very complex. It's a very tasty drink, very spirit forward. So let me know what you guys think. Comment in the description below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.